Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I know there's something that looks familiar about me, and that's because I'm wearing the same exact things from my other video, and that's because I'm filming two videos in one day because I have time since, you know, I'm a college student and I'm always busy with like finals and like tests and like homework. And let me tell you guys, next week is gonna be finals week and I'm not ready. So right now I have some time for myself, so I decided to record some videos. So that's why I'm wearing the same thing from my last video. So anyways, let's start with the rambling. So for today's video I have a American Eagle jeans try on haul, plus size try on haul, and let me show you. I have 5 pairs of jeans that I got during the Black Friday sale because they had 40% off plus free shipping. So I got me some jeans because I was in need of new pairs of jeans. So I got those, and I don't know, I just wanted to make a video because why not? So before we start with the video, I just want to say, if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, then go click on the red button down below, give me a like, give me a comment, share with your friends, and yeah, let's get on with the video. So a disclaimer, just so you guys know, I wear an 18 regular on American Eagle jeans, and during the Black Friday sale they only had 18 long, so I decided to pick up the long ones, and I don't know how I feel about them, but what I usually do on all my jeans, I roll them up, so like it doesn't really bother me. But if you don't do that and it kind of bothers you, like just get, or like try to wait for your regular like length of jeans. Yeah, so let me just move a little further so you can see. So the first pair that I have on right now are the super stretch high-rise jegging, and this is how they look like on the page. Let me just, oh, I don't think you guys can see them very well, but let me show you guys how they look like. This is how they look like. As you can see, it's like a light wash material, and it has a lot of rips here, and as you can see from the bottom, it's a little too long for me and baggy, which I don't like personally. But what I do is that I roll them up and they look good. So this is the back. This is how they look like. They're really like high-waisted, which I really like. So yeah, that's the first pair, and these were $29.99. So the next pair that I'm wearing is the Next Level Stretch super high rise jegging, and these were, when I got them they were 41 something, but now they're 44.96. That's how they look like. And honestly, I think this and then the second pair that I'm gonna show you are my favorites. So yeah, like first of all, they're super high-waisted, which I love, like, yes. So this is how they look like. As you can see, the bottom are not as baggy as the other one, which I like, and it's a dark wash material. And yeah, it has a lot of rips, but it actually has like jean material like behind the rips, like, you know what I'm talking, like patches kind of. So these are as well the 18 long, and they actually fit like pretty nicely, and I love how it looks like with the shirt like tucked in, like it looks cute. So this is how they look like from behind, sorry. This is how they look like. I really like them. I think these are, yeah, these are my favorite, and the next pair that I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I know the location is a little different, so I'm sorry about that, but we're gonna make it work because I did some changes in my room, so this is the only spot where I can record. So the next pair that I have is, I have the little paper right here, is a 360 Next Level Stretch high-rise jeggings, and I got them in 18 long, and this is how they look like. As you can see, I rolled them up because they're super baggy and I don't like that how it looks like. So yeah, but I think it looks super cute. They look super cute, and they're a dark wash material, and I really like it. And I like, so yeah, I like how they look like. This is how they look like from behind. As you can see, they're also high-waisted. I got all my jeans high-waisted because that's how I like them. So yeah, the price was $69.95. I don't think you guys will be able to see it there, but I got them on sale for, I want to say 41 something, like the other pair. And yeah, they're really cute. They also have the patches, as you can see, and to be honest, I like that more than like the actual rips, because when I usually put it on my jeans, I tend to rip the little strings, because you know how you're putting jeans on like super fast and your like toes get like tangled with the strings, and then you rip them. So yeah, that's the thing that I don't like, but like I like ripped jeans, so I saw this ones and I got them because it's a cool idea. Sorry about my nephew. He's in the room with me. He wants to be in the video, but he's super shy as well. Okay, so the last pair that I have right here is the Super Stretch jeans. They're also from the Super Stretch like collection, you know. And this one actually is plain. It doesn't have any rips, and it's like a light wash material. So this is how it looks like from the back. And this one, I know I got it for $29.99 during the sale. So yeah, and yeah, they're pretty comfortable, super stretchy, and super cute. If you don't like ripped jeans, you can go with this jean, and yeah, I like it. Super cute. So this is the last pair that I have, and the other one that was my favorite, and this one has rips at the knees, but it has the patches, as you can see, and it's also from the Super Stretch collection. And yeah, they're a medium wash material, and I really like them. I love how they look. Let me just bring the camera down so you can see my ankles. Okay, there you go. I like how they look, how they make my legs look. I don't know, I really like them. So yeah, and the price was also $29.99 for this. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. Before you go, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click the red button down below. Like this video, give me a comment, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.